What's going on, guys? Bradley here, taking over the Mustang Lifestyle channel for today. We've got a little bit of work we're going to get done on the Celine. For the last year or so, the car has had a bit of a rattle in the exhaust. I'm pretty sure that one of the mufflers or both of the mufflers are completely cooked. This does have a DNA motoring catback on it that I got from Blake about 2 or 3 years ago. It sounded great, but it's a little quiet and the rattle is pretty annoying, kind of makes things sound like a turd. So today we're gonna take care of that by throwing on some Magnaflow Magnapacks. All right, y'all, we're up here at Muffler City here in Jacksonville. We're gonna get the Magnapacks slack onto the Celine, find out how it sounds. I've heard good things about this place. They did my buddy Nolan's Acura TL. We needed a muffler delete. He was really happy with the welds, so I figured I would come by here and give it a shot. What happened?
Battery died.
Didn't want to start this morning, but then I drove it all the way over here for like 30 minutes, and it charged at 14 volts for 30 minutes. I'm like, oh, it should be okay. No. I'll try it.
Damn, it sounds nasty, bro. All right, let's go.
It's a lot louder. It's way louder.
How did that flyby sound on the highway? It sounded good. Could you hear the blower still? Yeah. Okay, good.
We'll let Jared hop in real fast just so I could hear the car. I'm in the Skyline right now, but I just want to see what this thing sounds like. He says it sounds freaking awesome going down the road. So I'm excited to see how it sounds. It sounds great from inside the car. That thing is definitely louder than it was before. Sheesh. Dang, son. I like it. This was, the Magnapacks were Andrew's idea. And, I think that was the move for sure. Dang! Oh man, dude, that sounds so good. Here's the old mufflers off of the Celine here, and well, yeah, they're a little blown up. Here's the other one. See if this one. Yeah, so a little smoked, but well, they serve their purpose. So now we've got the nice new Magnapacks on this thing, which I think sounds awesome. Way better than these did. These sounded good, but the Magnapacks sound a whole lot better. Well, there you have it. We've got the Magnapacks here on the Celine now. I think it sounds sick. I am really, really excited with it. It's man, I'm just so I'm super giddy about it. It sounds awesome. It's not ridiculously loud. It definitely has a little bit more volume, which I like. But it's still a clean sound. It doesn't sound ridiculous like straight pipe Coyote or Coyote with, of course, extremes. Sorry for the Coyote hate, guys. The real ones know that does not sound good. Along with installing the Magnapacks, they also cut and modified the BBK X pipe I have on this thing. It's always sat really low, and if you saw in some of those clips before they started working on it, the V-bands where I had it attached to the rest of the catback, as well as the rest of the mufflers, sat really, really low. It would scrape over everything. In fact, I've had multiple people tell me I should lower the car, Andrew, Blake, a couple other people, and I've never really wanted to because the car already scraped over things as it was. Now they've got that fixed, which is awesome. I'm really excited about that. I think it sounds good, and everything looks nice. They did a real nice job. Coming and looking underneath here, you can see clearance, pretty solid. A lot more room than before. The welds look pretty nice, and I was pretty happy with it. Everything looks pretty good. Still the original flange from the old catback. And still have the V-bands up front there and going into the X-pipe. But as you can see, it's kind of leveled there with the subframe connector. So a lot more clearance now. Real happy about that. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you drop a like. Leave a comment down below, share it with a friend. If you've got a buddy who's trying to figure out what exhaust, or maybe you're trying to figure out what exhaust you want to do on your new Edge Mustang, you know, Magnapacks, not a bad option. For me, I just added the mufflers, but they actually have the full Magnapack catback that you can buy. I'll drop a link down to all that stuff in the description if you want to check it out. But that wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, like I said, drop a like, leave a comment, share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.